Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the issue of iPhone notes disappearing. If you've lost your notes, follow these steps to get them back. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on your Apple ID at the top of the screen. Select iCloud and then scroll down and tap on Show All. Find Notes in the list and tap on it. Ensure that Sync this iPhone is enabled. If your notes are still missing, go back to the main settings screen and use the search bar at the top to search for notes. Tap on the Notes app in the search results to check if your notes are saved there. If your notes still don't appear, open the Settings app again and scroll down to tap on General. Tap on Software Update and ensure your iPhone is running the latest software version. If an update is available, follow the prompts to download and install it. That's it. Hopefully, these steps helped you recover your missing notes. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell so you don't miss out on future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.